and happy new year. So it's actually the 1st of Jan today. Hope everyone's had a really nice start to the new year. I've actually already filmed my first video of 2025. There was a lot of Q&A. A lot of you had questions about my wedding that I've been posting about. I tried to answer as many questions as I could. Having quite a chill day today, and don't worry, this isn't one of those overwhelming get your life together for 2025 videos. I've been watching a lot of those and I just overall think that the New Year's is a really overwhelming time. Everyone's talking about their goals, making vision boards, posting all their highlights. It can be a lot. Even I was like consuming loads of that content. I was getting stressed out like, oh no, I don't have a step-by-step plan, and people are planning out their goals for each month. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do any of that. I'm gonna slowly think about things that I want to do, but mostly just use this time to have a little reset. I mean, today my goal was filming that Q&A. I'm gonna do laundry today. I've got loads of laundry piled up, and I want to do some baking, and that's probably all I'm gonna do today. But I will say one of my goals is to vlog more of like my mundane everyday life. I know you guys love watching that stuff. So even if it's boring, or even if I think it's boring, I am going to try and film it for you guys. This is actually a really good tip. I keep a notepad. It's not a diary or anything. It's literally just a plain notepad. I've shown this in one of my vlogs. I got it from HomeSense and it's got little bows all over it. It came with a little bow pen. I started to keep this right next to my bed, and anytime, I don't always write a to-do list, but anytime I'm going to bed and I think, you know what, I actually have a lot of things to do tomorrow, and it literally just means that I don't wake up with like a million things in my head. Often what I do on days where I'm really busy, I wake up and I don't know what task to do first, and then I get really overwhelmed. When I do have a busier day, the night before, I will just write everything I need to do and then make a little plan for myself. Like, okay, I can do those in the morning, especially with content. Sometimes when I film content, I want it to be bright outside. So it's like, what things do I have to do first? And what things can I do after 4 when the sun goes down? So for example, I am doing some returns today, and I can do that way later in the day. And then obviously my Q&A video, I had to do that right at the beginning of the day. It's nice to have it all written down. And I hope this video kind of like calms you down and lets you know that you can do things in little increments, and 12 months is a long time, and you don't need to change everything on the first day of the new year. Even if you just want to act like January is a trial period and you can just try different things out, see what sticks for you. And I do feel like every year doesn't need to be some amazing year where you achieve everything. Sometimes just getting through the year is a big achievement. I know. Oh, hello, my cat just jumped on my bed. Also, the rain has been crazy. The way it was raining last night, I thought my roof was gonna fall in. Yeah, I woke up and all over the news that there was like parts of Manchester that were completely flooded. I mean, this video is gonna come out a few weeks later, but I hope everyone was safe during that flooding. That was crazy. I actually did want to shoot outfits with my sister tomorrow, but I'm gonna keep checking on the weather during the day. Hopefully we can go out, take some pictures for our Instagram. If you didn't know, my older sister Shafa, she also has an Instagram page. She mostly posts like her flowers and her garden, but sometimes she will post outfit content. Yeah, I'm gonna go make some banana bread. It's like my comfort thing to bake. I prefer baking, you can't really mess up. But cooking, we have this thing in Urdu and it's called andaza, when it's like you have the eye for the ingredients. So a lot of the time, like if my mom's explaining a recipe to me, she's like, oh, and just throw some of this in. They always say like throw this spice in, throw this spice in. And I'm like, I don't know what throw means. Is that 3 tablespoons or like a teaspoon? What did everyone actually do on New Year's? I used to actually go out with my cousins, and we would go to this rooftop in Manchester and like watch all the fireworks as they go off on New Year's. And I just feel like New Year's is kind of losing its appeal. Okay, I'm gonna go. I feel like I've been rambling, but I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I'm gonna go downstairs now to make the banana bread, and I'm just taking all my laundry with me. Mixture is all done now, and you can throw whatever you want in here. I do walnuts sometimes, I do chocolate and walnut, but for today I'm just doing chocolate. Literally got a spoon and smashed it all down into pieces, so when I open it, it's literally just gonna drop in. Oh, let me get some scissors. I've literally smashed it all up. This will be like nice little chunks, and I'm gonna give it one. Ooh. I don't know if I should put the whole packet. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do the whole packet. My mom always told me that once you've put the flour in, you shouldn't mix it too much. I'm not sure why, but she told me that, so I'm gonna listen to her. Normally, I don't know where my pans have gone. So normally I use 2 little ones of these, and then I make 2 banana breads. But I could only find this today, and also we ran out of grease-proof paper. So I just put loads of butter in there, and I'm hoping that it slips out when it's ready. It was ringing me. It's not the right time to ring me right now. Comment down below what your like comfort baking thing is. That fits perfectly. I'm gonna put this in the oven now. It's gonna be in the oven for around about an hour, so I'm gonna use that time to tidy up, do some more laundry, and the kitchen is a mess. Let's clean. Okay, my first load of laundry is done. I'm gonna do the second one now. Banana bread is done now, and it's around 4:30. Being productive in winter is so hard. As soon as it gets dark outside, my body literally shuts off and I don't want to do anything anymore. I'm about to put my 3rd load of laundry in. I have made another cup of coffee, only because I also need to edit a video that I filmed this morning, and editing takes forever, and it's a really chatty one. Also have a mango return to do. It's all the way at Trafford Centre though. I double checked the weather for tomorrow. It is still sunny until 2. So me and my sister are going tomorrow to shoot some outfits. I did go to Mango the other day and I picked up the most beautiful coat. I picked up a few other bits which now that I've come home and tried them on, I'm not too keen on. That's why I need to go do those returns. Okay, I'm in the middle of editing now. You can see at the bottom the longer clips are the ones I need to edit. I'm really crazy when it comes to editing. Even if I like pause for 2 seconds, I need to take it out because it really irritates me. However, I do feel like I've hit a wall. So instead of like finishing it off, I might just go do that mango return. Zaid bought me these shoes yesterday. He said my shoe collection is just really terrible, but I know like everyone wears these. I'm gonna wear them today. I'm just gonna refresh my hair with this Batiste Volume dry shampoo. I'm obsessed with this stuff. Sometimes I even put it on overnight. It's so good for like 2nd day hair, and my hair is quite flat, so I feel like this is really good. I just like lift up my hair and put it in the roots and then just shake it all out. My hair gets greasy so easy, and it's so annoying because when I put heat in my hair and then the next day it's greasy, I'm like, what's the point of putting heat in when I have to wash it so regularly? Some girls will do like a really nice blowout on Sunday and then their curly hair lasts all the way up till Friday, and my hair could never. So this just lets me keep my hair styled for a little bit longer, and you can see it gives a lot more volume, so I really like this. Kinza introduced it to me when we were on holiday. Hey guys, I'm at the Trafford Centre. I just did my mango return. We've just been walking around. Oh, I told them about my shoes.
What shoes?
The ones that you got me, and I'm wearing
okay.
them. So did you like my outfit?
Yeah, it fit quite nice.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go home.
I just woke up to the cutest package ever. I got some flowers delivered by my social media manager. How sweet is that? I love receiving flowers. It's honestly my favorite thing. It's by a brand called Faye. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I've seen them all over social media recently, and these are kind of like her custom bags that she packs everything in, and I know exactly where I'm going to put these. This is the state of the flowers on my vanity. Kind of embarrassing, but these need to be swapped out. This is such a cute start to my day.
So we've just made it into town and me and Shafa are gonna go and take some outfit pictures for Instagram. Definitely check out our Instagram. Trying to be more consistent. I'm sat at the back with my little niece and I'm so excited. We're gonna go on a little walk. We both need coffees really badly. Shafa, you want a coffee, right?
I need a coffee.
Yeah. I feel weird calling her Shafa. In the Asian culture, we call our older sisters Baji, and I shorten it to Badge. I remember someone commented once saying, "Is your older sister's name Badge?" And I was like, no. Anyway.
Once, Zara, you called me Shafa.
Yeah.
And then I was really upset. I don't know, it just sounded like you were angry with me.
It feels like disrespectful when I call you Shafa.
Do you remember? And then at the end of the day, I was like, are you angry with me?
Oh, sometimes I do it.
Yeah,
and it feels weird coming out my mouth.
I hate it.
Oh. Sorry, Badge. Anyway, me and Badge are gonna go, and I'm boiling hot right now. It's really sunny in Manchester. It's the 2nd of Jan, and on the 1st of Jan, everything was flooded. I think it was either a month or 2 weeks of rain in 48 hours. A lot of Manchester was flooded. It's all good now. We need to hurry though, whilst little baby's taking a nap. I've just seen Shafa's outfit. She looks so cool. She always looks really cool. Okay guys, we've just got our first round of pictures and we're gonna treat ourselves to some coffee now. We're going to our favorite coffee spot here. It's called Haunt, but I don't know if it's open. Can't see my face because of the sun. The two cutest people. So cute.
She really likes being outside, you know, I'm just going to leave her like this.
She's a little people watcher. 2 coffees here. We've got 1 vanilla latte and 1 just regular latte. And of course it's us. So we've got a pan of chocolate warmed up and then a croissant warmed up as well.
Hi guys, so I don't actually remember the last time I vlogged, but it is a Sunday today and I've woken up quite early. I straightened my hair for once. I'm really excited because today is a sister day. It's so long overdue. We've got lots to catch up on. I'm just moisturizing my face. I'm prepping my skin for makeup. I've been using this Relays cream. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's really good. However, I feel like I just bought it and look how much I have left. It does leave my face really moisturized before I put on makeup. Also been loving the Indie Wild lip treatment. Almost out of this. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing this. Those are the 2 products I've like started my day with. I actually just filmed a little makeup routine on my Instagram, like all the foundation and concealers that I use, so you can go check that out to see like my exact shades. So I know for like brown skin, I've always found it really hard to find foundations with a yellow undertone because a lot of the brown shades out there just make me look dull. I do want to say really quickly, I've been going on in this video about a Q&A that I've been filming and editing. I basically finished it all. It took me so long to edit, first of all. I finished it and it just felt too personal. Like, I'm not really one to do sit down Q&As. After I watched it, I was like, this just feels so personal and like too many details. And I know I give up like a lot of details in my vlogs, but the fact that I was sat down and just like telling you guys everything, because it was a wedding Q&A. I sent it to Zaid as well and even he was a bit like, no, it's too much. I decided to not post that video. I did a little Q&A on my Instagram instead. And to be honest, like whenever I think about the future of this channel, like it's never going to be a couples channel anyway, so I don't know why anyone would need that much information about like my marriage. So yeah, I just wanted to clear that up in case you're wondering where this Q&A is that I've been banging on about the whole vlog. Anyway, on a lighter note, I found my old Too Faced palette. I feel like palettes used to be a massive thing. I'm gonna attempt to do white eyeshadow today. I've seen a few girls do it and it looks so cute, so I wanted to join in. I'll let you know how it turns out and I'm gonna get ready now.
Guys, it's Maria, Zara's younger sister, just in case you don't know me.
Yeah.
Today we are going for brunch. We're having a sister girly day.
Yeah, it's long overdue. We've not had a sister day.
Yeah, Shafa's car isn't working because as you can see, it's really snowy outside.
Yeah.
So, and I don't think she started her car in a week.
Is that what happens?
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
I think your gearbox freezes up or something.
Oh,
so,
fair. It's literally been snowing
So
every
we're gonna
day.
go pick her up and then we're gonna go for brunch.
Yeah, so we were meant to go, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock now. We were meant to leave at 11, but Shafa, like obviously her car threw a little spanner
and
in
she
the
has,
works.
does everyone know she has a baby?
Yeah, baby.
And she has a baby, so it takes her a bit of time to get ready.
Yeah.
So So we're not sure where we're going yet.
Yeah, but we're listening to the Wicked soundtrack.
Yeah, we're obsessed with Wicked, guys. If you're not into theatre, then you won't like the film.
Yeah, and it's so long, so don't go see it if you don't like theatre.
If you don't like long films where there's a song every 2 minutes, don't go watch it.
I'm not gonna lie, I did lose my mind when the goat started singing.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't think this is for me anymore.
No, I really enjoyed it.
I loved it.
What was I going to say? I feel like Zara is channeling Glinda today.
Oh, okay.
Like, she just looks very Glinda to me.
Yeah, I put on white eyeshadow. I'll show you later.
Yeah, she did.
I was trying to give like Snow Queen.
As I'm back, I need to make more content for Zara. So I was just saying to Zara how amazing it is to be an auntie.
Oh, right,
I don't think you've spoke about this on your blog.
No.
Can I put the camera here?
I don't think so.
At a really bad angle. So I was just saying, like, it's genuine. Everyone kept telling me it's the best feeling in the world, and they're right. It's
I
like
can't explain
the love
it.
that you have for your niece.
I don't have
or
that
nephew.
love for anyone else. Like, I look
I
in
keep
her
putting
eyes.
my face on. I'm so sorry. If Shafa doesn't send us a picture of her baby like at least a few times a day, I'm like, I miss her.
I get withdrawals.
Literally. But no, I'm so excited to see her because I've not seen her in like 2 days.
So we've just picked up Shafa, and I wanted to show you my white eyeshadow that I did on my eyes. I think it looks really cute. I was just sick of doing the same makeup look every day, so I was like, let me try and experiment a little bit. And I still have these little clippies in my hair. I always wear them until I get to where I need to be and then take them out. I'm gonna wear my earmuffs today.
I'm back home from brunch now, and I'm actually going to finish Dubai Bling. I'm on the last episode. I'm so excited. I know this is literal trash TV, but I actually really enjoy it. Yeah, I've literally got that much left and then I'm finished. I've watched this so quickly. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!